We at Armor Locksmith Brooklyn understand that the financial crisis has caused an increase in property burglaries, and we are here to help customize your specific home security that will fit your budget without compromising the integrity of your security. Armor Locksmith offers a comprehensive array of home security solutions, including lock devices, fireproof safes, window gates and guards, fire alarms, intercom systems, closed-circuit television, keyless entry access control, and much more. At Armor Brooklyn Locksmith, your security is our #1 priority. Our professional service combines rapid response, high-qualified staff, and state-of-the-art tools and equipment to protect your home, business, automobile, and family. We offer round-the-clock emergency service, 7 days a week. Your phone call will be answered promptly, and we will route our closest locksmith immediately to your location. Call now, Armor Locksmith.